What's going on, y'all? This is Marcus with Gliytch AI Studio, back with another video. Today, I'm going to be going over the AI writer and showing you guys how you can put together SEO optimized articles and kind of guide the AI along the way when writing those articles. And we're also going to go ahead and look at the brand voice feature. That way, we won't have to constantly keep putting in our information for our brand, and the AI will be ready to go ahead and just write the article with our brand information. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and stay tuned. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section, and like the video if you like it. Let's go. All right, so when you log into Gliytch AI Studio, you're gonna arrive here to your dashboard. And from here, we can access the AI writer by clicking here. It'll take us to our templates, which leads to the AI writer. All right, so we arrived to the AI writer right here. It's like a normal word processor. It has all the tools you need to put together a comprehensive article, but we'll go over that in a second. I'm gonna go back to the dashboard, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with the brand voice. That way we won't have to keep putting that in every time we prompt the AI. So we're gonna go ahead and go to brand voice. We're gonna click on new company. All right, and from here, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the information for my brand. I wanna keep it real simple with this video. That way, we can kind of get through the video pretty quick, but you can definitely get in here and get very detailed with your brand and the information that you give to the AI so that you won't have to keep putting it in every time you prompt the AI. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in my brand information. All right. So I went ahead and put in my brand name, which is Gliytch. For industry, we're gonna go ahead and put in AI. So I'm gonna add new. I'm gonna add AI. Let me close that out. As you can see here, we have AI here for our industry. And for brief description, I'm just gonna put Gliytch AI Studio. Just simple for the video, make it quick. All right, and for the website, gliytch.com. And for the tagline, I'm just gonna put in Gliytch AI Studio again. All right, and for tone, we're gonna go with, I would say, a little bit of a witty tone, kind of a fun tone. And my target demographic is AI users. All right, and for product, I'm gonna go ahead and put in Gliytch. I'm gonna put service, and then I'm gonna put in AI writer, AI images, and AI text to speech. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that here. All right, as you can see here, we have our brand voice saved. So what we can do now is go ahead and go to the AI editor. All right, so when you click on the AI editor, you're gonna arrive here to the template section. We have over 150 templates you can use, and we have different categories as well. So for the first category, we have blog, we have development, social media, business, etc. And each category has different AI tools. So you can kind of look at these as GPTs. What GPTs are something created by OpenAI, and it's basically like a customized AI that specializes in a specific subject. So as you can see here, this one specializes in blog conclusions, blog outlines. We have e-commerce, which specializes in, you can come up with product names, reviews for your products, Amazon product descriptions, and things like that. And we have over 150 of these different topics, so you can feel free to use any one you want. From here, you're going to arrive to the AI writer, and here we have all the tools you need to put together a comprehensive article. You can look at this as similar to Microsoft Word, where you can go ahead and put together writing and do all your writing tasks, and here and have AI to go ahead and use along the way. All right, so if you click up here, you'll see we have headings, so you can set up your H1s, your H2s, we have bold, italic, strike through, we have blocks, paragraph, block quote, div. We have alignment, we can line it to left, center, and right. We have rewrite up here, which is one of our AI features. We have our AI magic toolbar up here, and we have rewrite, summarize, make it longer, make it shorter, etc. We have a few here. You can link text by clicking here. You can add images by clicking here. And as you can see, we have our normal writing tools that you get in word processors. And we have Markdown over here. If you click here, we have source code as well. And we can go back, forward. We can print, we can download or export to Microsoft Word, PDF, or HTML. We can add a new document here, or we can save the document. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how we could put together an article. I'm gonna show you guys a quick technique I came up with, and it's pretty simple, but you guys can definitely take it and reverse engineer it and use it for any other writing task that you have. This is basically just using the AI to go ahead and guide the article along the way. But I'm going to show you guys the quick technique I came up with, and maybe you guys can use it and reverse engineer any of your writing that you do. So let me go ahead and get started. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and come up with a title for the article. I'm going to go ahead and go to the post title generator. And early in the video, we set up the brand voice. So I'm going to go ahead and select brand voice and put in our company Gliytch. And from here, you can generate bulk posts as well. So you can generate more than one post if you like, but I'm going to stick to one for this. And for this, I'm just going to put in So I just went ahead and put in Gliytch AI Studio features and tools, and it's going to come up with a title for that for me. And as you can see here, it automatically put the tone we selected earlier, which is witty, when we set up the brand voice. So we don't have to go ahead and put that in anymore. And it's going to have all that information I put in for the brand as well when it writes this title. So let me go ahead and generate that. All right, so it says, unleash your inner creative with Gliytch AI tools so smart they might steal your job. As you can see, it has an emoji and it has the website name. So let me go ahead and actually remove the emoji. We don't actually want that in the title, and I'm going to remove this quote right here. All right, so I'm going to use this title, and we're going to show you guys how the AI works. So as you can see down here at the bottom, it has keep writing the next paragraph. We can go ahead and click here and guide the AI. If we want to maybe change this title, what we can do is tell the AI, hey, let's go ahead and rewrite this whole title and add this specific SEO keyword or write it in this specific style if we want to change things around. And this is better than kind of using those chatbots because you're able to have the information right here instead of you having to copy and paste and do all that formatting. You're able to do all of that in one and get your article published on your website or email or whatever you want to use this for. So let me show you guys how this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click down here and press enter, and let's see what it gives us. All right, so as you can see here, it used that title and it came up with a quick paragraph for us. Basically, the AI is just using this title to kind of come up with some information, and it's using your brand voice as well, but this may not be as detailed as we like for our brand. So what we're going to do is go ahead and edit this. And what we can do is we can come here and select some of this. When we right click, we get a lot of the options we have up top right here. So we can go ahead and just customize the text from here. So what we could do is we can put in custom actions that we want the AI to take, or we can rewrite it from here. We can summarize it. We can make it longer, make it shorter. We can improve writing. So what I'm going to do is just go do a quick rewrite to kind of show you guys how this works. All right, so as you can see here, it went ahead and rewrote the sentence. I should have selected that period because it had an extra period, but let me remove that. And as you can see, it did a quick rewrite. So you can go here sentence by sentence and just select something. Maybe you want to only select 2 words and you can have it rewrite or add something different. Use SEO. It's different ways you can kind of come in here and customize the AI. So what I'm going to do is put together a quick article by coming up with an outline, and we're going to use the AI to kind of prompt along the way to go ahead and get the article written. I'm going to show you guys just a quick walkthrough of what it can do. And like I said, you guys can definitely reverse engineer this and use it for whatever your writing needs. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove this. I'm going to go ahead and backspace. All right, I'm going to go ahead and select this title and copy it. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to go ahead and go to blog post outline, and I'm going to go ahead and put in the title that I got earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and include the brand voice, select Gliytch, and we're going to add some sections that we want the article to write about. So what we're going to do for sections is we're going to go ahead and put in word processor, images, DALL-E 3, and stable diffusion. And we want to write about AI text to voice. All right, so for the sections, I'm just going to put 3 quick sections. I'm going to put AI word processor, AI images, DALL-E 3, and stable diffusion, and AI text to voice. And as you can see, we selected the brand voice, so it has our tone as witty. And we're going to go ahead and generate this blog outline. Let's go ahead and click generate. All right, so as you can see here, it put together a full outline for us with bullet points and H2s, and the title is formatted. So as you can see here, we've already got halfway there for the article. We have the outline, and like I said, you can definitely come in here and customize this and make it more detailed if you like, but we're just keeping it simple for the sake of the video to kind of show you guys how this works. But if you want, you can definitely come in here and make this more detailed, more customized, and maybe if you want to change some of the stuff it provided for you, you can do that as well. But we're going to keep it simple for the sake of the video. All right, so from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove these bullet points, and I'm going to select all this, and I'm going to come down here to the bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and prompt the AI from here to go ahead and write out a paragraph for me. And like I said, we can definitely like use SEO keywords or whatever we want to add in here for the AI to add to this introduction paragraph. And like I said, we can do this paragraph by paragraph, so we can get a very detailed article, SEO optimized article, and we can guide it along the way to tell it to make sure it's SEO optimized. And the only thing we really need to worry about is probably making sure we have good keywords to rank for the SEO. But other than that, we can definitely use the AI to guide us along the way. So let's go ahead and get started with that. All right. So basically what I said was write a SEO optimized intro for an article for Gliytch AI features and tools, and use the information that you provided earlier to go ahead and guide the AI. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, and let's see what it comes up with for us. All right, so as you can see here, it comes up with a good introduction for us. We can remove the introducing Gliytch. Well, actually, we can keep that, but it comes up with a pretty good introduction for us. It lets us know about the AI. And what we can do from here is, if we don't like something, we can just come in here and we can right click, and we can further go ahead and guide the AI and make improvements. We can improve the writing, translate it to a different language. We can simplify it. You know, we can do different things to it. Let's try simplify and see what it comes up with. All right, so as you can see, it went ahead and changed that one sentence and kept everything the same. So as you can see, this is a very, very good tool we can use to go ahead and write articles more comprehensively and make them more detailed for us as we are. This would be good for, like, I would say, writers, or if you copywriters, you know, any type of, or maybe even doing your homework. You can definitely come in here and you kind of use AI to do your homework. I wouldn't say use AI to come up with the answers for you, but you know, if you need help writing an article, you went ahead and did the research, you can use it to spruce up your article, make it sound a little bit better, you know. But let's go ahead and do this one more time and show you guys this feature one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and select all this, and I'm going to go ahead and remove those bullet points, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove intro from here, and I'm going to keep it the same. I'm just going to say paragraph, right. And it's basically just a paragraph about Gliytch AI features and tools. Actually, I'm just gonna, instead of saying features and tools, I'm gonna say the Gliytch AI word processor, because that's what the paragraph is about. All right. And if you misspelled any words in here, don't worry about it. The AI definitely can still read it with misspelled words. You don't have to worry about, as long as it's like just something the AI won't be able to understand at all, like just random letters put together. If it's a word that has maybe 2 or 3 letters that's misspelled, it can definitely comprehend what you're trying to say. So I'm not really worried about these misspelled words I have down here. And let's go ahead and process this. All right, so as you can see here, it went ahead and came up with another paragraph for us. And we can go ahead and do that for each one of these sections we had. But as you can see, this is another way we can kind of use AI to kind of help us write articles with Gliytch. And what we can do is, make it more detailed. Like, I know a lot of people a lot smarter than me. They can definitely come in here and probably see ways that they can, use this tool a lot better than I am. But, I'm just kind of giving you guys ideas on what you can do. As you can see, we can, come in here if we want. We can, just change this whole first sentence and have it rewrite anything, improve the writing. We can make it shorter, summarize it, whatever we want to do. This is a very powerful tool. It's just like having, AI and Microsoft Word or something like that. We can definitely use this to take our writing to the next level. But this was just kind of an intro of the tool. I'm just kind of doing a walkthrough of the whole platform and showing you guys how the platform works. If you guys are interested in Gliytch AI, we have plans starting at $10 a month. Our $10 a month plan has 20,000 words, 20 images. $15 a month, you get 50,000 words and 50 images. And for $19 a month, you get 150,000 words and 125 images. And as you can see here, we have access to over 152 templates, which are basically like customized AI GPTs. And you get access to this each month, and I'm going to go through the whole platform to kind of show you guys all the other things we offer, from AI images. That's going to be my next video, going over my favorite thing, AI images. We're going to go over the article wizard, AI vision, AI web chat, just everything we have here to offer. We're going to go over it and show you guys how it works. But again, this is Marcus with Gliytch AI Studio. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'll have my information in the chat below. I have my Twitter and stuff like that if you guys want to check that out. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Marcus with Gliytch AI, and I'm out.